In IoT, sensing and insights, we are going to take a look at our current environment. Almost everything around us these days has sensors in it, whether it's our toothbrushes, our cars, our refrigerators. They're collecting data. We want to see how we can collect data ourselves and take advantage of it. So we're going to dive deep into our inner nerd, and we are going to build some hardware. We're going to attach some sensors to Arduino devices, connect them to the internet, and we are then going to collect that data through cloud services. Once the data gets collected, we are going to learn how we can use different services, web services, open source tools to grab insights about that so we can make better decisions about what's going on in our environment.